Hi everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back. Thanks for being here. I'm going to be doing two paintings tonight. You'll see them one right after the other, and I'm going to be using the exact same colors, but it's going to be totally different results. I'm going to do a white base with very similar colors to a painting that I did a while back that was a black and blue flower. And then I'm going to take that black and blue and make it the base and have the silver and the white and all the colors on the inside this time. So almost like opposites. I'm going to be continuing on with kind of these comparisons of paintings just to really help everyone see, and myself even, the differences that even just small, tweaking of colors, layering, how much difference that can make. Make sure to let me know in the comments if you want to see any different comparisons, maybe with mediums, paint brands. I have quite a few ideas in mind, so always happy to hear your comments. Thanks so much for watching. Let's paint. Okay, so here they both are, and you can see how the blowouts look pretty similar. The colors are exactly the same. So in this one, there is the phthalo blue, silver, and black on the white base. This one is the white, phthalo blue, and silver on the inside, and a blue-black base that you can see that I mixed together. So completely different layering. Or background really gives a completely different feel, but both are absolutely beautiful. The white one, it pops really well. The cells in it are beautiful. The black really gives a nice pop of contrast. This one, the petals are really soft. I love them both. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Happy painting. Bye.